This is. My brother is eating like a butty. Oh God. Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's easier that way.
It is.
Just
It's magical.
Goat eyes. That's
Yummy.
Hold on, let me eat it first before talking. Are you full already? He's tired too.
You're tired too?
You are filled up already?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful day and we have loads of meat here. We have rice just to back it up. Everyone is here and we're hungry. Yeah, there's stew, the fried stew, and we're here, we're hungry and we can't wait to try this amazing food. Oh my God, we have nice meat. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you all ready? This is Sukami is featuring today. And this is Opa is featuring today. Let's start. All the way from Shagamu.
Let's get it done.
And Shay is here.
Yeah. Let's start.
Yeah.
So love is there.
I see one towel here. Oh my God. Check this out.
I just finished the breast.
The breast. You like the breast?
That's the second breast.
Second breast. Second breast.
There are two now, the right and left. This, I don't know what to call it. This sauce is amazing.
It's great.
This
The sauce
is
is
amazing.
awesome, right?
Can I eat out of your time?
Yes, now. Feel free. I think I'm going to use my hand.
Because it seems the
This
first round is
sauce
cut.
is
That's the best.
It's making sense, right?
That's right.
This is the tail. We have beef here.
I'm trying to look for the meat to eat. Help me, guys. That's it. Oh.
You're already eating with your hands. After that, sir. You're not even waiting for anybody.
That's what. That's the liver. Right?
It's so nice.
That's very nice. But that's what Dan is trying to focus on the meat.
That's
no, no. I'm trying my best not to eat too much meat. I want to eat some rice. So.
My brother is eating like a butty.
I do. I need to use my hands now. No.
Wow.
Check this out. Check this out, guys.
Jazzy.
Wow.
Jazzy.
Yeah, bro.
Jazzy.
I'm going some jazzy. Oh God. Oh my God.
Look at this one.
That's right.
Yummy.
Well, you guys
I've got the kidney here.
eating with your spoon and fork. You are missing a lot.
Wow. This is so yummy.
I would like this to go.
Top. Man.
Yeah. Let's
Got a lot
eat
of meat
that
here.
together.
You got a lot of meat here.
Oh God.
A lot of meat here. This is onigbawe. Yeah. It has.
Oh.
Sorry, bro.
Splatter.
Onigbawe. Don't finish this. Onigbawe is one of the most essential parts.
In the meat.
I have it here.
You are not eating meat.
Easy. Hope you are eating. Enjoy yourself, bro. Are you full already?
Oh God.
Are you guys backing out already?
I think it's out.
Wow.
That was so fast.
That
was
so fast, man. He's tired too. Oh.
You're tired too? Come on.
Come on, you guys eat one. Man. You are filled up already? Wow.
I'm pushing up. I don't know that. I think some people can just. I don't know.
They can't handle too much.
I don't.
But Papa is doing that.
No, he is.
Papa is doing that.
I can't even believe he's doing that.
I'm still here with you guys.
I know.
You guys are using your hand.
Yeah.
That's so amazing.
It's easier that way.
It is. That's the African way to do it.
The fork wasn't doing that.
I have one in my hand here. And I'm actually taking one.
How's it going?
Beautiful.
You want to back out? You want to back out?
Don't be tired.
Are you tapping out?
Take this one.
Use it to do sense forks.
Easy.
Whoa.
That's one of the best.
Get inside your mouth and it explodes.
Juices explode immediately. Like,
Instantly. After this food,
let me use this to pick some rice. I think this is the thing.
The lady that prepared this, her name is Rachel. She left already.
Okay.
But this is delicious, man.
she did justice to this.
That's the camera. Face the camera.
He's out.
Come back. What's wrong? Sit down.
Yeah.
Then you just face the camera and tell us what's wrong.
Why are you out?
Sit down. Face the camera. Face the camera.
Why are you out?
Face the camera. You're not full, man. We still have a lot.
Amazing is the meal.
It was okay. We'll see you next time.
Nice having you.
All the way from Shagam. We went for hunting together.
Thanks, boss.
I hope you guys enjoyed the hunting
My
video.
hands are full.
This rice is far.
It's far from you.
Come closer, bro.
Do you need one plate?
Come closer. No.
Let's eat together.
This part, right? No, fat. I don't like
I
fat.
kept that there, but eat it on, bro. Tell me how you like it.
See how's it going?
I'm not enjoying myself. I think I need some whiskey to back it up.
That's nice.
So,
Oh, good. Where are you going to, bro?
Oh,
Oh,
man.
God.
take this out.
That's the head.
This is the goat egg. I'm sharing it into two. One here. Let's try this. It's well cooked. I'm just literally removing the bones with my hands.
And the sauce is
Cooked,
is very
fried. It's just amazing.
Yeah. This is
Too bad Shegun is not here.
Yeah, you wanted to be here.
Yeah, you remember the MVP for the last video?
the one that was crying.
It's getting too hard to access this egg.
You have to suck it out. Like you suck it.
That's nice.
You suck it out.
Man, this is lovely.
You guys behind that camera is missing. Trust me, you are.
Don't worry, we'll keep your food.
Why is it enjoying this?
Papa is enjoying this.
He is. Look at his face.
This is the tail.
He's really enjoying this.
Wow.
Are you tapping out? Adventures with Jazzy.
You see in.
We started together.
Oh,
We'll
God.
finish it together.
Finish it together.
Mm.
That's the place. Oh my God.
All this was prepared by a wonderful lady. Her name is Rachel. She has already left. She left immediately she finished cooking. But we need to appreciate her job. She did a massive,
I swear.
a very good job. She did a very good job.
This is an amazing job.
This is very tasty, guys.
The taste, coffee, the ingredients, everything is just perfect.
You guys have finished all the meats. I don't trust you people.
Everything is going marama.
I don't trust you people. Okay?
You guys devoured that meal. Damn.
How did you do that?
Oh,
You finished the meat.
in minutes. How did you guys do that?
Cannot contain more.
You are filled up.
The container is filled.
You have to tap out too.
Tap out to get out of whiskey.
Thanks for joining.
Thanks for coming, bro.
I'm sure you enjoyed yourself.
How are you doing? The taste?
Nice, right?
I just
It's
got the
magical.
Goat eyes. That was.
Yummy.
Hold on, let me eat it first before talking.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What happened right here?
Wow. The eyes was something. See the one.
Let's try another ice. Man,
Oh. You got to do some job before you get the eyes out.
yeah, I noticed.
It's not an easy task.
Jazzy was so busy getting it out. Oh God. That's another method. Jazzy was gentle with it.
Kept on free.
Papa is a pro. When it comes to animal.
But we moved the whole food.
This is the eyes.
Yeah, still some.
Oh God.
Can you see the eyes? This is the eyes. And Jazzy ate it and he said it's delicious. So it's time to try it. Some rice. Man,
Oh. Oh God. I'm just eating everything. Oh God.
This meal has been amazing, man. Like, I really enjoyed it.
Whoa.
guys, if you're watching this video and you have a meal for us to try next, can you let us know? We'll be looking forward to try that.
Just drop that in the comment section. Adventures with Jazzy. Look at you going for the wolves.
Take it easy. I noticed.
And this is so tasty. I can't believe it.
You have all those sauce
I noticed that.
hiding inside of it. You guys notice you've been eating for a while and you didn't even drink water. Even though that one.
Concentrated on eating first.
That means that food is so delicious. Oh God. This is yummy. Come on. You guys are backing out on the rice, focusing on the meat. That's so wrong. Give the rice some respect. Come on.
Yeah.
Your rice is just a supporting striker.
Mind your teeth.
I think I'm done with this.
But there's something there.
Still got some meat. Yeah.
Yeah. I think Papa in the next part with meat.
Yes.
Because the way he's actually analyzing, there's nothing here. There's something here.
He knows.
He knows where and what
It's there. Sorry, man. Sorry. Now you're taking water.
No, you want that?
Calm down, don't do.
Well done. Good
Wow.
job.
Wow.
We're done with the board, everything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. I'm gonna see you in another video. We are saying have a lovely day. Bye bye. And we're gonna try something else next time. It's gonna be amazing. Probably we'll go for swallow. We can't wait. Bye.